G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Got a quick unboxing for you. Today, we're looking at the latest power bank from Anker. This is pretty cool. This one can charge 4 devices at once. It has 2 retractable USB-C cables in it. Has 25,000 milliamp hours worth of battery life inside of it and can charge up to 165? Is that 165 watts at once total output? And that's including fast charging as well. So hopefully this is going to be a little solution that's going to help me keep things like the camera that I'm currently using running while I'm on the road. Let's jump in. Okay, now before I start, have a look at that picture there. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? This big LED screen on the front I'm actually really looking forward to. I think that's going to provide a very modern power bank that's going to give me information directly when I need it, what's going in, what's left, what's going out, especially if you've got multiple devices charging at once. So it's going to be really interesting to see how this actually plays out. Let's have a look inside. That's that one. So just ripping off the little straps there. Open up inside. There we go. Oh, it's pretty big. Look at that. That's pretty big. It's about the size of a can of beer. For some reason I know what the size of a can of beer looks like. Well, maybe not 375 mils, but 440 mil can. I don't feel like one actually. Wow, look at that. Well, I've got to admit, I thought it'd be smaller. I don't know why. Maybe it's because the picture's so small compared to the actual device. But wow, it feels solid. It feels really well made. It's got like a hard plasticky feel to it, so it's not like a metally feel, but it feels really solid. Really, really solid. I mean, it's a battery, so it's going to be solid. But yeah, so have a look there. I've got a power button by the looks of it. We've got a USB-C here and a USB-A. So it's going to be able to charge 2 devices directly from there. And then we've got, one of the cool features of this particular power bank is you've got 2 built-in USB-Cs. Now one, there's the handle, you can see there, that's fine, but this actually unclips somehow. There we go. And that's actually a USB-C. Look at that. How cool is that? I'm guessing that's it's fast charging like the other ones. Can't read anything on the actual strap. Braided, strong, and it just goes back in like that. Oh, that's so neat. Look at that. What a great design. Oh, I like that. And then there's another one up this end here. You can see, hopefully see there. This one comes out to 2.3 feet apparently. Look at that. Oh. That's really cool. Yeah, so it's like a retractable hose. So it sits at the length that you want it to be. I wonder if it does it halfway. Let's find out. Yeah, so it sits at whatever length you need it, and then when you don't need it anymore, boom. And I was reading it's got 20,000. It's been tested up to 20,000 retractions. So as long as my kids don't get their hands on it, when I sit there all day just going, it should last a lifetime of what I need it. And then we've got the screen on the front there as well. I will take off the safety. And let's see if it powers on. Let's see if there's anything on there. Oh, it's got 20% on it at the moment, out of the packet. What else we got in here? We have a safety sheet with the smallest print I've ever seen. Look at that. It's like smaller than an ant. It's like a dust mite size. It's also got that. And this is pretty neat. I wasn't expecting that. So it comes with a nice little pouch. Very nice. Well done, Anker. It's classing it up a little bit. It doesn't have a hard ridge to it like a sunglass thing. It's just got the tethers. So I guess you just, this will slip in here. Let's do the test right now and see whether or not they've sized it correctly. So that's going to be a little bit pain in the butt each time, but I bet you get used to it. And you just tuck it in like that, and you're sliding it down, like so. Oh, it's come loose, So a little bit of a tight fit, but once it goes in there, boom, there you go. Really nice feel to it too. Feels pretty strong. Yeah. Okay, so it comes with a carry case. Nice. So we'll have to get into the testing and see how long it takes to charge, and see how fast it charges my phone and my other accessories, and get a good idea of it. I don't know, I wonder if these things can wirelessly charge. Probably not, but that would be kind of cool. But anyway, 3 USB-Cs and 1 USB-A. It's pretty much going to get you out of any jam, isn't it? Okay, well there we have it, guys. That is the new power bank from Anker. I have forgotten a specific name right now, but it's not on the actual box. It doesn't have any name other than Anker Power Bank, but I know it does have a name. I think it's just a 165W Anker Power Bank. But obviously it's a bit more feature rich than that name gives it justice. That name does not give it justice, because it's more feature rich, as I've just gone through, than just saying it's a power bank. Okay, I'm going to do a full review of this, so make sure you keep an eye on the channel, and it will be going up as soon as I feel like I've got my head around it, which shouldn't take too long. I'm Chris Stead. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you check out my other videos, and until next time, I'll check you later.